Oh, hey, welcome. I'm glad you could join. Today, we got a kitchen to replace. This one right here. I'm going to be replacing the cabinets, countertop, lighting, those particular things. So let's get started. You know, sometimes screws can just be so stubborn. Get out! Get out of your hole! Get! You can do it! You can do it! Okay, time for plan B. Follows fails, use more power. I'd like to thank my friend Crowbar. Okay, we're making some progress. We're making progress, folks. Oh, that hurts. Victory! One cabinet out, plenty more to go. Alright, Ranch Hood. You don't like me, and I don't like you. Oh, you gotta go. So you're coming out. You greasy. Oh, hello, Mr. Corner Cabinet. Are you ready to come out? Okay, we can do this. That one's kind of heavy. That one was a little heavy for one person. Still haven't found a helper yet. God. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I need a step ladder. Gonna add it to the list. Stoop? Stoop ladder? I feel like chicken tonight. Oh God. Now we have access to the cabinet. Did I miss one? Ta-da! Got them all out pretty much, except for, oh, hello. Hello, lonely little cupboard. Would you like to come out? Hang out with your friends? Just went on a little adventure under the crawl space to turn off the water. Mission accomplished. Time to install these bad boys. Doesn't you can't go back. Oh God. Oh God. You can't go back to sin. Can't go back. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Will it leak? I hope not. Adventure time, adventure time. Adventure time. Adventure time. Okay. I think we're good. I don't hear water flowing all over the kitchen floor. Let's go check it out. No leaks. Yes. Gotta use my little Hercules muscles for this one. Hercules, Hercules. Corner one's a little challenging. We got all the cabinets down. Gotta get some more tools so I can get the cabinets up. I got them in place where they gotta go. And just gonna have to go whoop. Whoop. Didn't work. Well, hey friends. I'm just trying to align these doors up. And I couldn't figure it out, but I think I got it figured out now. Look. These screws, they're adjustable. And if you look, these drawers don't line up. But the gap going down them is perfectly straight. Same on this side. Gap is nice and straight. And I've been trying to figure out why they haven't been closing properly. And that's what my guess is. These little screws. So I'm gonna try and adjust it. Beautiful. Nailed it, look. And that one's nice and straight. There we go. That's how you do it. Hey there. So I got some cabinets here I have to get straight, you know? Kind of off a little bit, you know? Yeah. Ta-da! Just look at the progress we're making, folks. Wow. Got some down there. Boom. Got this one all straightened out. So I got the countertop in place here, and that was tricky, let me tell you, because it is between two walls. And when you got to jam a countertop in between two walls, it is very tricky, let me tell you. But we got it done. Now I just got to screw it down. Screw it down, downtown. Doesn't fit exactly. Could be a little bit longer. But we didn't have the cabinets in time, and I wanted to. So we ordered the countertop before the cabinets were here. So obviously it wasn't an exact match as the old cabinets, which is not a big deal. I mean, that side's covered up by the stove anyways. Let's screw some screws. Screw in some screws, screw in some screws. I love to screw some screws. I gotta find my drill. Where's my drill? Where's my drill, man? Where's my drill? You know, it's kind of funny because the gentleman of the house was helping me get the countertop in, and the lady of the house called his name, and I think it was giving him crap to not bug me because he's a talkative guy. He likes to talk a lot, and I think she thought that he was disturbing me while I was trying to work, but in fact he was actually helping me. So I could hear him downstairs like explaining to his wife what we were doing. it was funny. She laid the smack down. I was like, Avery, get down here. Laid the smack down. Alright, let's get this countertop screwed down. Countertop, countertop. Yep. Countertop. What we gonna do it? We gonna do it, folks. Definitely gonna need ear protection for this one. It's just gonna echo in there like crazy. Yeah. There we go. Look at this corner piece I put in. I nailed it. Look how good that fits. That's how you do it, folks. Yeah, cold pizza and garlic fingers for lunch today. Not my favorite. I prefer warm. And you're probably like, why don't you just ask the customer to use their microwave? Well, I'm afraid they're gonna overheat it, and that'll be even worse, so I'll go with the cold, you know? Well, it is Subway time. I've got a start on it here. Get the corner started. This is like miniature Subway tile, so it comes on like a sheet. I've never worked with this stuff before, but I don't have a full sheet, but you get the idea. Back in the kitchen, and I'm still doing Subway tile. Tiling's not my favorite thing to do, but It's not terrible. I don't know, just tedious. But we'll get her done. I find it easiest to use just an adhesive that comes in a container instead of like mixing grout. Just for a backsplash, it's fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Fine, yeah. Alright, let's get some of this gooey goodness on here. Oh yes. Oh yes, the gooey goodness. Snap, snap, snap. Hiya. 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 Look, they're ninja stars. What is it called? Subway tile? Like, do all subway stations use this kind of tile for the walls or something? I don't know. I've never actually been in a subway before, so I don't know. But it's very popular in houses, that's for sure. Bam. Nailed it. You ever seen this show? Nailed it? It's pretty great. I need to take a little break, man. Standing on your back for 8 hours a day is hard. Standing on your feet for 8 hours a day is hard on your back. Let me tell ya. Stretch. Oh, man. My back is so tight. Brutal. The tile's coming along. We're getting there. It's such a slow process. It's like the smaller the tile, the longer it takes to put up. If it was a bigger tile, it'll go up a lot quicker. But it's gonna look good though. It's gonna look real good. I'm excited. So, we got the wall behind me done. See if I can show you. There we go. Boom. Now we gotta do this wall. Oh, hey friends, how you doing? Just want to give you a little progress report here. Check out how much I've accomplished. Doesn't that look amazing? I think so. Right here wasn't too bad as opposed to the rest of it. It's flying on. This is going to be so close. Look, I'm almost done here. I'm just putting up the top row. And I got this many left. And I gotta do all of this over there. It's gonna be very close. Well, in case you're wondering, I didn't quite have enough subway tile to finish it off. I was short like two. Oh man. But the customer was nice enough to run out and grab some so I could get it finished up. Now I'm just on my way home, and then tomorrow we will grout, and then we can put the finishing touches on this kitchen and be done. Sweet. So we got it all masked off here. Now we're ready to grout. Just gotta mix it up and then we can apply. It's time to grout. Now so far we got the grouting done. The plugs on, handles on, pretty much everything is done except for I gotta cut out the sink here and then I gotta caulk around the edges here. And time's crunching, man. It's like 3 o'clock on a Friday. Long weekend at that. Trying to get this done so the customer can have a functioning kitchen for the weekend, and then I'll be finished. Wow, that was very challenging. That was the most challenging sink I've ever had to cut out. Look how thick it was over here. Like, that's insane. Crazy, but it fits. I test fitted it and it fits perfect. Okay, I got the job done. Yeah, that was sweet. They gave me $100 tip, so yeah, that makes me happy. Not very often people give you tips in this industry, so that is pretty fantastic. So let's cue the epic finished cabinetry B-roll. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.